Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. This is Max Fan Studios, and today I am here at Morgan Station Road to catch myself another CSX eastbounder on the old mainline subdivision here in Woodbine, Maryland. So here we go, ladies and gentlemen. And I do not know what train it is. I don't. At this point, I'm literally just running out of ideas for intros because literally, like, I keep on telling you guys the same thing over and over again, and it is getting so cliche to a point I'm running out of other ideas. It distracts me, but yeah, I'm going to go ahead and cut the cord now. So yeah, as usual, I do not know what it is, but we're going to find out once it gets here. So I'll let you guys go, and here it comes, winding through the curvy tracks to Morgan Station on the old main. Alright guys, here we go. I decided to go on this side this time, like a bit more further downwards like this. But I'll have to hold the camera up like this though, but that's fine by me, I guess. Alright, here we go. I don't know if this is a good shot and everything, but let me know what you guys think. Is this a good shot? I think so. Although I wouldn't recommend myself doing it again though. Alright, we got a loaded coal train. Oh, hold on. Is this new? Oh, no, I don't think it is. No. Alright. 841. Alright, 841 and 85. Loaded coal train. Yeah, the con with this shot is that I won't be able to get a good shot of the train knocking down the signal. I mean, now it turned to red, but still would have been nice to see it turn from green to red in a certain area. Yeah, typical coal train. All right. We might have DPUs coming up. Oh, we got the different beats coming up. Alright. Saying that several times because I don't know what to expect up next, but we'll see if it's a combined coal train or if it has any DPUs in it. So we'll just see. And I'm also not looking at the camera while filming this, so chances are I would likely turn it down and miss it if you want to see the shot. So, yeah. Alright, here's some DPUs. Alright, we got 286 and 3115. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. Those are some loud diesels. Wow. All right, ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. I do not know what ID that one was. There you have it, and it's heading eastbound to Curtis Bay Yard in Baltimore, Maryland. I don't know if that shot was pretty good. Did any of you guys like that shot? I personally liked it because of how much of a action-packed shot I would get from that angle. But at the same time, though, there were a few cons with that. I don't know. I guess I wanted to try something out. But anyways, so there you have it, and I'll go ahead and let you guys go. A CSX loaded coal train heading to Baltimore, Maryland, the Curtis Bay Yard. All right, I'll let you guys go and see you on the next one. So peace out and catch you all next time, folks.
We'll be right back.